Seems like forever since we've been together. Oh God, I miss you bad, and I read your letters and look at your pictures.
Hey guys, getting ready to work out. Back from Cracker Barrel with my mom and dad. We went to breakfast this morning. A little over 2 hours to do that, so I'm gonna stretch, get warmed up, do my workout, and then get ready for the party. And then we're also gonna go to a dinner tonight. And so definitely have had a more busy Saturday, full of things. So that's fun, but tomorrow is more of a slow day. Tomorrow we have church, obviously, and then basically just gonna be at home getting ready for our friends to come over for life group. So that's what we're doing, just a little day in the life. I will say, in a couple weeks, I'm gonna start decorating for Christmas, decorating my shelves, getting our tree up, switching out some decor, so definitely gonna be making a video on that. I'm gonna go work out.
The only thing I need is you beside me. Oh God, I miss you so bad. It's been so long, I know.
You will be my girl, my girl, my girl, my girl. You will be. So we just got back from church and we are hosting a life group tonight with our friends to clean, and I'm gonna cook some soup for lunch. That's not surprising since it's fall and it's the same soup I always cook, just because I need something easy and fast because I have to clean, and hopefully I'll be done just in time to relax a little bit and read. So let's get to prepping. Just finished lunch. I'm going to do the dishes, kind of just pick up, wipe some things down, and then I'm gonna change, kind of get comfy, and probably just relax until we have to put the food in the oven for our friends to come over. One thing I don't want the Sunday to become is dreadful, and I want to take some time to rest and reset because it was a very hard and busy week for me. I'm gonna make sure that I take some time to read because we went to the bookstore yesterday and got some books, and just kind of take some time for myself, even if it's just 30 minutes before everyone gets here, because obviously having these college life groups are good. It can be a lot of pressure for everything to be clean and just ready, and so I just want to make sure that I take some time for myself before we have the night tonight, because tomorrow 4 a.m. we're waking up, going to the gym, and everything else in the week starts.
be a good card table.
Everything is mostly cleaned up. Freshen up the bathroom real quick and get some room spray going in here. Other than getting the food prepped and all that stuff, we should be good. I'm in different clothes because we went through a walk. We went on a walk in the woods, and the last time that we did that, we got turkey mites. Woke up the next morning and there were turkey mites all over us. We actually get medicine for it. All our sheets and like take hot showers every night. I remember like itching for like a whole week. So I went ahead and just took a shower to play it safe. But we wanted to go on a little Sunday walk in our woods, and it was really nice. I feel reset. But I'm gonna get that stuff done so I can start reading. And before everyone shows up, Kyle is starting a fire outside so that people can sit by the fire and come in here and chill too. It's gonna be a good night.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind